Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Riverdale is a quiet residential neighborhood in the northwest part of Winnipeg, known for its suburban layout, green spaces, and close connection to the Red River. It sits within a broader area that includes West Kildonan, a district with deep historical roots in the early settlement of the region. Today, Riverdale offers a calm, community-focused environment where tree-lined streets and modest homes define the landscape. For visitors, it presents a slower, more everyday side of Winnipeg, away from the busier downtown core. The development of Riverdale is closely tied to the post-war expansion of Winnipeg. Much of the neighborhood took shape in the mid-20th century as the city grew outward and new residential areas were built to accommodate a rising population. Homes here are typically single-family houses, many constructed in practical mid-century styles. Over time, some redevelopment and renovation have taken place, but the overall character remains consistent, with a focus on livability and space. One of the defining features of Riverdale is its proximity to the Red River. The river has long played a central role in shaping Winnipeg's geography and settlement patterns, and in this neighborhood, it adds both scenic value and recreational opportunities. Walking paths, nearby parks, and open green areas provide residents with access to nature, particularly during the warmer months. The riverbanks also contribute to the area's identity, linking it to the broader story of the city's development along these waterways. Riverdale is also influenced by its connection to West Kildonan, one of the older communities in Winnipeg. This area traces its origins back to the early 19th century, when Scottish settlers arrived along the Red River. Over time, West Kildonan became an established municipality before eventually being incorporated into the larger city of Winnipeg. That historical foundation still shapes the surrounding neighborhoods, including Riverdale, even as they have taken on a more modern suburban form. Community life in Riverdale centers around local schools, parks, and small commercial areas that serve everyday needs. While the neighborhood itself is mostly residential, nearby streets offer access to shops, services, and transit routes that connect residents to other parts of the city. This balance makes Riverdale a practical place to live, where most essentials are within a short distance, but the overall pace remains relaxed and steady. Green space is an important part of the neighborhood's appeal. Parks and recreational areas are scattered throughout the surrounding district, giving residents places to walk, play, and gather. In a city known for its long winters and short summers, these outdoor spaces become especially active when the weather warms up. Trees, open lawns, and river views help soften the urban environment, making Riverdale feel more connected to the natural landscape. Riverdale may not be widely known as a tourist destination, but it offers something just as valuable, a clear look at how people live in this part of Canada. It reflects a practical, community-oriented lifestyle shaped by climate, geography, and history. For those exploring Winnipeg, neighborhoods like Riverdale provide context, showing the everyday side of a city that is often defined by its larger landmarks and institutions. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage, with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution center for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving.